What you doing? What are you doing, Gracie? What are you doing? Are you playing in the snow? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Now she's stuck. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Come on, Gracie. You can do it. Uh-oh. She's really stuck. Come on, baby. Come on. Come this way. Uh-oh. All right. I think I have to go get her. Oh, maybe not.
I go.
Gracie, good girl. Good girl. You got out. Good girl. This is Gracie playing in 12 inches of snow that fell in maybe 7 hours. Crazy. But she obviously loves it. Don't you, Gracie?